Okay. We go like the same thing again. Okay, we cross the arm, move my hip. You see, it's bad if you're able to already when I start cross the arm, I already move my hips because I already more easy to move, you know. Not cross and not go. If you take like the timing at the same time move, it's much easier, much faster. I can do this. So in that situation, we work more to take the back. In the situation when the guy wants to push her again and take the arm, yeah. The guy wants to push her again, take the arm. So I keep here and just follow his movement and go. Next one, we start to do a little bit when the guy don't try push it, but try keep the weight on me. Now some people, sometimes I go here and he wants to keep the weight on me in that way. Now just for stop me, go to the back. And I keep the same thing here. And now in that hand, I start go to that leg. And see how now it's not have arm for that side and anything. It's easy to start to move. Okay, I start to do the same movement. I go here, broke the way you like to do it, and I start to go the back, but now he start put the weight on me. For stop and go there. See, I keep close, and now I go that leg. So I go more deep you can that leg, and see how my hips start to move. So the idea is he's already put the weight on me, so I move to my head that way, and now I go side. Now become really, see that leg become really light, so you start to lift more you can. Okay, the weight is all there, so that leg become much more light. And just move here, inside, and follow. And go that way. You know, in that situation, that position can be really slow like that way. You need to feel like the weight is there. If you don't go, something is wrong. Okay, but of course you can go fast, you know. Go again, go take it, go here, catch the leg, and go here. Okay, but try do really slow so you can feel if something is going wrong. Okay, then cross, catch, go inside, and now I need to move all his weight to the head. See if he's here, the weight in the hips is become head, so I need to move to that direction. Okay, when I move here, that leg become light. Lift more you can. That leg go inside. All right. Okay? Okay, change the partner.